Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything, so if you enjoy beauty, bath, fashion, jewelry, accessories, anything, we probably do it here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and product reviews. We'd love to have you. And y'all, don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on right now that will be linked down below. It does run until the 26th. And please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. But as you can see, today we have the September 2020 LookFantastic beauty box, and it's their birthday. Oh, happy birthday, LookFantastic. So first, I do want to say thank you so very much to LookFantastic. They did send this to me for review, so I do appreciate that. But we're going to get in here. We're going to dive in. We're going to see what is in the September 2020 box. Before we do, I want to let you know that LookFantastic is a $19 a month beauty subscription, and you're going to receive 5 to 6 sample, deluxe, and possibly full-size items in this box. And it, like I said, is $19 a month. I do have a link I will put down below. If you use that link, you actually can get your first box for free if you sign up for a 3-month subscription. Signing up for a 3-month subscription also drops the price of this box to $18 a month. So you would only be paying $36 for 3 months because the first month would be free. So that's a really good deal. So like I said, that link will be down below in the description. But yeah, let's get in here and see what we got. So when we take the lid off, the inside matches the same peach color with the little pamphlet that says birthday box. So yeah, birthday edition. And when you open it, it goes over all kinds of different information. There's sometimes even recipes and different things, a little bit more about the products in the back of this pamphlet. It's very useful. The box, I love the box. It's great to repurpose. It's a pretty sturdy box. So here we have our tissue paper and sticker, but let's open this up and see. So we've got a good bit of stuff. Let's see exactly what we've got. All right, so the first item we have got, let me find it. It is right here. All right, so you could have received one of two items. You could have received the Elemis Mini OMG Highlighter or the Balm Mini Mary Lou Manizer? I'm not sure. I got the Elemis right here. So it says, get a glow with these gorgeous highlighters, both with a shimmering champagne hue to complement your complexion. Perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. So this is in the shade... Oh yeah, OMG, it already told me, right? And it is vegan and cruelty free, which I really like. So here is the actual product, and that does look like a very, very gorgeous shade. Very, very shimmery and pretty. That is stunning. I really like that. All right, so we have that guy. And then the next item is from one of my favorite brands, and that's Elemis. And it is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I love this stuff. It is amazing. And they say, this Elemis anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentration of Padina pavanica. It says a powerful marine extract to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I've used this before. It is fantastic. I love it. I'm glad to have a smaller size because I can throw this in, my travel bag and have one of my favorite moisturizers on the go. So yay. All right. And then it looks like we got a mini lip pencil from, says Diego Dalaparma. It says the shade is antique pink, which is right here. So it says this Diego Dalaparma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong color payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. So let's see. So it's a standard like wooden. It is a very, very pretty color. The only reason I'm not going to swatch this is because I don't necessarily use lip pencils that often, so this may be in a future giveaway, but I think the color is gorgeous and perfect for fall. So let's see what else we've got. All right, and then we have got, I'm very excited about this. We have got a Luxy brush. So this obviously is a full size, and let's see. It feels very nice. It's a large shader 209. And this says, suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows, the soft synthetic Luxy eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. So I agree, especially eyebrow. I mean, I don't think you can have too many brushes, period, but especially not eye brushes. And I like how this feels in my hand, and this does feel very, very nice. So I'm glad to have that guy. All right, and then we got a jade roller from Brushworks. This is HD jade roller. Soothing jade is cool to the touch, reduces the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. Enhance your skincare routine by rolling product into the skin for even application of moisturizers and serums. So there's that. The back of the box shows a little better. To take your skincare regimen to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension in the face, this tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers, and face masks into the skin. So I'm actually very excited to have this. I have like a rose quartz roller, and I had a jade roller, and I don't know what happened to it. So, oh, and this is, okay, I thought there would be something else in there. This is a very nice, like, heavy duty roller. So you have this, you know, for your face, and then the smaller side. Oh, it does feel really, really good. What over here? Ooh. So, yay. This is a good box. All right. And then there's still something else in here. So this we have got, this looks like we could have gotten one or another product. And this is from, I'm not sure if it's ESPA or ESPA. If you know, let me know down below. But you could have gotten the pink hair and scalp mud or a micellar cleanser. And I got the pink hair and scalp mud. That's interesting. Scalp mud. Intensive treatment mask, condition and nourish hair and scalp. So there is the product. All right, so the pink hair and scalp mud, massage into scalp and through damp hair. Leave for 20 minutes, then rinse. These ESPA or ESPA products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The pink hair and scalp mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky soft locks. So yeah, it just says massage into scalp and through damp hair, leave on for 20 minutes or overnight if preferred, and rinse. To enhance the benefits, follow with purifying shampoo and nourishing conditioner. So that is what we have got right here. And I think it's definitely sounds interesting. I mean, it kind of sounds like a scalp scrub, but not. So we have this guy, we have the jade roller, we have the lip liner, the highlighter, the Elemis cream, which I'm so excited about, the Luxy brush. So those are all the products. I guess because it's their birthday, they gave us a little present. We got a LookFantastic Beauty Box pop socket. So there is that right there. So it's just a little added extra. Now we do always get a little sneak peek, and the sneak peek for October. That sounds so crazy. The sneak peek for October is by Terry, and it says this travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, and glides onto the lips effortlessly while providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So that is the little sneak peek for October. That's exciting. So let me know what you thought of the September 2020 birthday edition LookFantastic beauty box. Like I said, I will put a link down below. If you decide to use that link, it will save you $18 essentially, because if you sign up for a 3-month subscription using that link, your first month is free. So you're only going to pay for 2 months. So I think it's a fantastic deal. It's a great way to try LookFantastic. And I personally think that any subscription, at least 3 months to see if you're going to like it. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.